An overflowing lesson served one for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 46 from verse 19 up to verse 22. Jacob and Rachel had 14 children and grandchildren. Their son Joseph was already in Egypt, where he had married Asenath, daughter of Potiphera, the priest of Heliopolis. Joseph and Asenath had two sons, Manasseh and Ephraim. Jacob and Rachel's sons Benjamin took his sons Bela, Becher, Ashbel, Gera, Naaman, Ihi, Rosh, Mupim, Hupim, and Ard. So those were the descendants of both Rachel and Jacob. Then later there at Egypt they multiply, and of course they became a nation there. And for 400 years they became a slave there. And yes, they multiplied there at Egypt and they became a great nation. However, this is a period of time that their slavery will soon come to an end. Of course, with the help of God, and God uses his man of God, Moises.